Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning and good afternoon, everyone. It's a big honor for me to be a presenter in International Conference Mathematics and Science Education 2021. And thank you all of you who watched my video. On the time, I will present to you about my article that I have made about analysis conception of secondary student using fourth-year test on concept heat and temperature. Before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Asri Devialita. I'm student in Pendidikan Fisika S2 Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia and also Prof. Andi Suhandi. He is a lecturer in Departemen Pendidikan Fisika Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia. Okay, in this time, I will explain my article. That is table of content. There are 4 sections. First is introduction, second is method, the third is result and discussion, and the last section is about conclusion. Okay, I will explain about introduction. As you can see, basic learning is learning that fits the theory of constructivism and relies heavily on the development of relationship between new knowledge and the initial knowledge possessed by students. And the initial knowledge of learner is accordance with the new knowledge, then the process of the assimilation will occur. The stranger thing that original concept of learners. However, if the initial knowledge is different from the new knowledge, it will cause conflict cognitive in students, which can be said to be a misconception is an initial conception that's not accordance with the understanding held by professionals, and misconception can happen to everyone. There are several factors why misconception can occur in students' learning. For example, that books used by students, the lack of media, the facility learning and friends, and others. And also, based on research conducted by Ms. Gina on 2019 and Ms. Nurul on 2016 and Ms. Lestari on 2014, there are still students who have misconceptions. Indonesia is a big country which has many tribes and culture, and each region in Indonesia can be the subject of research to find out how many concepts students have. Therefore, the purpose of these studies is to analyze student conceptions using fourth-year tests, especially on temperature and heat content. Next is method. First is participant. There are 67 students, which is 23 male and 44 female in secondary student, or 11 students in science class. In senior high school, Bungus City. Bungus City is district in Jambi province. Is a bit far away from Bandung. And the next is the instrument that I use. The concept is about heat and temperature, and the question is using fourth-year test. The instrument that I use is fourth-year test, which is a question that has been designed and tested by Nur on her thesis. And the problem is just 3 concepts that I used is represent each concept, including the concept of temperature, heat and temperature, and the last is specific heat. And the side picture is the example of the fourth year test question about specific heat. Criteria concept for the test that I use is designed by Gurels. There are three level of conception. First is scientific knowledge, second is misconception, and the last is lack of knowledge. There are had four tier, first and second, the third tier, as you can see. The blue one is correct answer and the red one is incorrect answer. And the tier 4, tier 2 and the tier 4 is level present a variety of confidence scale to measure how confident learners or students choose the I use the equation from Alawiyah, as you can see in this side. The third is result and discussion. After the test, we can find out the level of conception out by student for the concept of temperature and heat. From the picture, first is percentage of conception level experienced by student. First is about temperature. There are 63% or 42 students had misconception about temperature, and the second is about temperature and heat. There are about 58% students have misconception, and the last is about specific heat. There are 55% student had misconception uh, or maybe range about 37 students. From the question given can be seen the misconception that occur by students about the concept of temperature and heat are still high category. One example for the question about specific heat misconception that many students find answered based on the concept of specific heat is the student answer objects that are easier to increase temperature when heat, and it will be more difficult to decrease the temperature when cool. But the real scientific concept is object that is easier to increase the temperature when heat, it will be easier to decrease the temperature when cooled. The cause of student misconception occurs because they still have difficulty changing their understanding. They tend to remember and memorize the information they have obtained before. And also, students will more knowledge precisely with the experience they have and apply more logic but are not motivated by complete knowledge on the concept of physics. Okay, the last section is conclusion. There are still many students who had misconception about heat and temperature concepts. There's way there's way to improve or reduce a student misconception of particular concept in temperature and heat concept is to is facilitate 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 student learning using conceptual change model or combine with conceptual change text or a reputation text. Okay, thanks for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.